Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Kavita Arti and today's video is all about unboxing and some real talks about the product. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So I have waited for almost 2 days to unbox this particular thing. So by the title you might have already known what I'm going to unbox. Yep, it is a tumbler. Tumblers were all over my feed, be it on Instagram, be it on Pinterest. It was all over my feed. So I thought let's get one and see how it works. Especially I see celebrities taking it to their gym, Pilates classes and everywhere. If you have been following me for a while, you might be knowing from my mini vlogs that I have been going to the gym lately. I wanted a cute little bottle, but this time I got a huge cute little bottle, so let's see how it looks. Let's review it together. So let's start with the video. Before the video starts, I want to give a disclaimer and be clear that this is not a sponsored video. It is bought by my own money, so whatever reviews or opinions I give are all mine. This HydroFlow tumbler from Kixa comes with a high-grade stainless steel and with BPA-free removable straw. It can hold up to 1200 ml of water and they claim it to be leak proof. We'll see that later in the video. There are many color options that you will be getting, but I chose the oat milk color because I kind of love white colors. You'll get few stickers free with this tumbler which you can place on this bottle itself. You can also give it as a gift option to your siblings or your partner, and I have customized my name on it and it looks amazing with it. And this is the straw that which comes with it, and with the stickers you will also get the double-sided tape to stick it. If you order it from their website, you will be getting this within 3 to 5 days. If you're ordering it internationally, it might take up to 10 days also. Or yes, this was my name which I told I have customized it. It looks pretty, guys. I will never lose this bottle because my name is printed on it. Cheers. So these are the stickers that which I've got. Let's see यहाँ मुझे कौन सा charm मिला है. Double-sided tape, I guess. Octopus. One mermaid. I don't know. I think this is a duck or something. I don't know. The next one is this teddy. It looks more like a pig than an octopus, right? As the brand claims that it is leak proof, I tried putting water in it as you can see here and it did not leak even a single drop. So from my side, it's a 10 on 10 bottle. So this is what I got from my adult money, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below so that I can read it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.